Welcome to the virtual tour of Unit 5 at number 82, Glass Street in Essendon. Unit 5 is the last unit out of the block of 5. With a single lock-up remote garage, 2 bedrooms, security screens on both doors, and an alarm system. As we go into the unit, we walk directly into the living area. The living area has got an alarm system, blinds, there's ducted heating throughout, polished floorboards, and it is open plan living to the kitchen. So living area, kitchen, timber kitchen, split system, air conditioning, stone bench tops, NBN connection, double sink, plenty of cupboards, 5-burner stove and dishwasher. This is the first bedroom. It's got a ceiling fan, 2 sets of wardrobes, it's carpeted, blinds, and it faces the driveway. Just near the laundry is the second bedroom. Wall-to-wall wardrobes, ceiling fan, ducted heating and fully carpeted. And this bedroom overlooks the courtyard. In between bedroom 1 and 2 is the bathroom. And the laundry. The laundry has a second toilet and access to the garage. The rear courtyard is very low maintenance, fully fenced. Minimal gardening, clothesline, and large garden shed. And there's also a garage entry as well.